Good so fly. Take one.
Hey.
I joke me a bit still, but you know what I think? What's good so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. And you know we're back with another video. As would I say? Another day, another dollar. And you know so out here and we are doing it. Today we are going to a video. You see me? And we just start make the people know. Babe mother got to do that video here. Oh, we first met. Stay tuned for that one here. It a go hot. Yeah. What's good so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. And make we lift up the world, yeah.
Take a look at the world now. How the people are living.
What's good so far fam? It's a girl. Cam so fly. So this video is about our mate Naquim, aka George, aka Chef Henry. Well, it was the year 2012. We still at high school. And then at grade 11 for left. See it? So me and my friend Judy, he set up a Texaco gas station in a St. Thomas. Attack. I know me and my friend and she say, see two cute youth there across the road. And me and me turn and look and me say, oh yeah, they're cute for true. So well anyways, me and she continue to talk. I know George just come up to me and say, you know, say, me just glimpse you across the street and you look so beautiful. So what's your name, sexy? so the day attack, and me tell me my name, come on. I'm going to Seaford High. Shout out to the Seaford High School in St. Thomas, Jamaica. See it? So, yeah, I'm in the day attack and he might give me sweet lyrics, you see? I mean, just get a blush, you can get a little sweet smile because he put nice words to me. So, anyways, in the ask my number, before I go into that, they look charge in the window. I see him, they put one girl on taxi. Alright? Someone say nothing. Come here, say maybe cousin or sister. I not pray nothing. Then he come to me, lyrics me have, and I ask me for phone number. Then time I have my phone in my pocket. Well put down in my pocket. And I vibrate out the light. And I ask me for number. I don't have my phone. My phone my shop so you can see me up here. You get to talk to me. So he said, alright babes. Alright babes. Later. Meanwhile, in my lyrics me have a friend that lyrics of my friend Trudy. So, anyways, when I'm done, I say, good night, beautiful. I'm going to say good night. So, he walk out. By the time I got class and come back, him that again, me see. I care. Him and one girl I walk. So, hear me to my friend. See, look what you're credit. I got one next girl. And I meet just that sweet talk. So, yeah, I saw me meet him. Then every time he see me, him beg me for my number. Me always tell him say me love it. And every time he see me sweet talk me again, put words to me and say, hey, beautiful. So my words that I can't talk as PG-13. Yeah. Emoji sweet, you see? It's sweeter than sugar. I don't know where I get the lyrics there from, but I know it was epic. So, if you get my number now, immediately I taste this when taste is open. The week when taste is open. If you never have tasty parties or not eat, if you never have tasties or tasty parties or tasties, it's a tasties, and then if you try it out, you see, it's a bomb. But anyways, I'm going to tasties. I'm going to see my friend Bolo. And me have one girl in there, see? So I never have pennies or anything. I just shout them out, go down the line. May I come out back? Your friend come to me and say, yo, sorry. Instead, if him can get my number. I said, sure, why not? Them time there, he don't have a woman. Me don't have my little friend. So anyways, yeah. And so me that text and talk. It takes me regular. Me talk regular. But think when I text them, I say, me just see that sexy thing again. I was like, okay then, you will see this sexy thing in Marriott Bay. So yeah, I saw me him get it talk, and then afterwards, the last touch. We stopped text each other. About 2013, me I got nursing school, practical nursing school, yeah. And he just text me out of the blue. I mean, I say, oh you. I say, yeah. You don't remember me and Nakwe and George. Now your name come out a time ago. The Seaford High School. I mean, I say, yeah, I might tell everything but me, I wonder, wish you, this a text me now. Me, I'm a stepsister, Crystal, sleep in peace, baby girl, I miss you. He might text me, say, you don't remember me? The youth, when I go up Marriott Bay Community College. I say, come, if you remember, we call. Tell you how long. And I saw, me him rekindle. With friendship, then it developed into a relationship. Yeah, that's how I met. I never know if you remember how we met. So yeah, that's how we met. I must say, like, oh, you know, one I next to me, remember? You must say, like, oh, you don't remember me. Me that go church, Christ Chapel United Pentecostal Church, that's in Marriott Bay. So, hey boy, may I drop? Sorry about that. So I say, if come out a door, in text me I say, in the outside, because it's just on one practical, it was youth service tonight. I said, come out a door. I'm coming, I say, oh, are you? I say, what? He give me a little kiss for my cheek and say, next time. See me? He said, next time, in the one practical, he give me some, can me bake one cake, and he say, I feel mother. Yeah. Tina February. Febby. Whoa! Yeah, that Feb. We can't bother call out the rest of the word in a Feb. Yeah. In a Feb, it happened. And that's some him rekindle our friendship to turn to love. Yeah. So peace out, guys. Love you. Stay tuned for next video. This video is going to be, or if I know I'm pregnant with twins, and interesting, but stay tuned for the next video. Peace out. Love you from your girl. Come. Mwah.